Hi guys, my name is Ryan Schmidt and I'm a third-year finance major at the University of Texas McComb School of Business, and I'm going to be reflecting on my experiences in this course. Two main goals in taking this course were first to become more aware and acquainted with the digital informational tools and resources available to me to help facilitate my academic success. Secondly, acquire more modern digital skills necessary to be more competent when beginning my profession. The first topic I would like to reflect on would be crafting a search strategy. I learned that crafting a search strategy is incredibly important when utilizing academic databases in order to narrow down the information to specify what you're looking for. Secondly, I learned how crucial it is to come up with keywords to construct proper search strings and narrow down your results. With that being said, I'd still like to learn better ways to utilize Boolean operators in my search strings to create more accurate results. Also, I'm still confused on how to utilize a faceted search with respect to databases. I'd love to learn how to rectify this and better improve my database search skills. The second topic I would like to reflect on would be web architecture. Originally, I thought a firewall only monitored incoming network traffic, but it actually monitors both incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security measures. I also learned that the hypertext markup language, HTML, tells the browser how to display the text or graphics on the web page. In the future, I want to learn more about web servers and how they operate with respect to web applications. I also want to eventually learn different coding languages so that I can individually create a web application that a web client can use. Being able to execute these programs would be advantageous if I choose to take a career path that is oriented in data analytics. One topic I wish we'd covered in this course was web-based data analysis tools. With data becoming the most sought-after industry in the world right now, it would be more than advantageous to learn about some of the data tools available to us. The most valuable skill I learned while taking this course was what copyright actually is and how to avoid violating copyright laws by properly giving credit to someone else's intellectual property. I didn't realize I'd previously given credit to artists whose songs were playing in the background of my videos incorrectly on my YouTube channel because I didn't pay for the intellectual rights, so I realized I had to go back and take the music off my videos. But now I can be protected from violating copyright laws in the future with regards to schoolwork assignments or even giving a presentation in the workplace. Well, thank you for listening to my presentation and hope you enjoyed my reflection on taking INF 303